Easy, you're brand new. This could make you strong enough to explore outside.
Welcome back to Generative. This entire short film was generated by AI. Notice the character never changes. That's usually impossible in Grok. Here is the blueprint I used to force it to work. The first thing we're going to do is head over to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Create a Pixar Disney-style short film, no more than 60 seconds. The film should contain 2 characters. The scene should transition smoothly with the last scene always showing the characters clearly. This last part is key to the success of consistency in Grok. Let's go ahead and run it. Just like that, we have a Pixar-style short film with 2 characters, a small boy and a floating robot companion. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn this scene or this short film scenes to text-to-video prompts. To do this, we're going to give it the following prompt. Now, for each scene, provide a text-to-video prompt with a dialogue where needed. For the dialogue, don't use the character name, but refer to the character itself. For example, the boy is saying. Let's go ahead and run it. And now we have the text-to-video prompt scene by scene. We're going to copy the very first one here, and we're going to head over to Grok. Now in Grok, the first thing you want to do is head over to the settings. From the settings, go to behavior and make sure that enable automatic video generation is turned off. Next, we're going to right-click and paste our prompt. Let's go ahead and run it. And here's the first scene.
I hope this little light is enough.
Okay, perfect. So now it has followed the prompt and we have our first video. What we need to do next is move to the very last frame where we can see both of these characters very clearly. We're going to right-click and we're going to say copy video frame. Now the video frame is copied. We're going to come here to the box, right-click and paste. The minute you paste the last frame, it's going to bring you to this screen here where you have the last frame from the previous video. Now we're going to head back to ChatGPT and we're going to select the next scene. We're going to copy that and we're going to head back to Grok and paste this prompt here and run it. Our second scene is now generated. Let's go ahead and run it. Notice that the beginning of this video is the last frame from the previous video.
This place feels different, but stay close.
And as you can see now, we have a perfectly consistent characters in the scene with the dialogue spoken, and the transition is perfect from the previous scene. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to go to the very last frame in this video. We're going to right-click and copy the video frame. This time we need to go back and we are going to right-click and paste. And again, once you paste it, it's going to load the last frame from the previous video. Here in Grok, we're going to head over to ChatGPT, and now we're going to go to the third scene, and we're going to copy the prompt and head over back to Grok and right-click and paste. And we're going to run that. And our third clip is ready. Again, notice the transition from the previous scene as well as the consistency of the characters. Now what you need to do is go back and repeat this for all the scenes in your script. And then we're going to head over to Adobe Premiere. You can use any video editing software to piece up your clips. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. But before we do so, we need to download our clips. So we're going to go to the favorites here. And now, as you can see, we have our clips. So we're going to come here and download the first one here. So download that. We're going to head back and download the second one.
This place feels different.
And then we're going to go to the last scene and download it. So now we are ready to bring our clips from Grok. So these are the 3 clips. We're going to paste them in here. Obviously, I have the sequence set to 4K, so we can scale our clips. So I'm going to select them all, right-click, scale to frame size, and I want to play the 3 clips combined now without any editing.
I hope this little light is enough.
This place feels different, but stay close.
And just like that, now we have all the 3 clips pieced up together in Adobe Premiere. Now, the transition between each scene is not perfect, but very good. And what you can do is a little bit of editing in Adobe Premiere or your favorite editing software, and you can piece up those clips together perfectly. There is another thing that you can do if you don't want to use dialogue. You can definitely generate a voiceover script and go to 11 Labs or Google AI Studio and generate the voiceover for your movie. That's another thing you can do. One thing to note about the dialogues in Grok is that they're not always perfect, and sometimes it takes multiple generations to get the perfect character saying what you want it to say. But overall, for something that's totally free, is very impressive. I hope you guys have found this useful and insightful. If you have any questions, please do post them in the comment section below. Until next time, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye for now.